The teacher who I think most impacted me was my eighth grade history or social studies teacher. His name was Mr. Hawthorne. And the reason why he impacted me was because up until the eighth grade, I thought I was stupid because I was a divergent thinker. In elementary school, became the class clown because I didn't understand certain things. And I just thought that I was not a good student, not capable of being a good student. That all changed in eighth grade when Mr. Hawthorne pulled me aside and said, "You know, Stuart, you are really smart, and I want to give you some special exercises to do for the entire class." And the rest is history. I realized that I could excel at education, I could excel in the classroom, and I went on to be at the top of my high school class. I then went to Hamilton College, great school, graduated cum laude from Hamilton College, went on to do many, many, many things, including writing a book and writing probably 50 articles about American education or culture, producing 65 television shows and videos. And I think that all of that started with Mr. Hawthorne because he said, "You're really smart." I've heard similar things about other people. There was one board member that we had whose father told him that he was a loser. Well, you know, if you put in your mind that you're a loser, that's going to impact you the rest of your life. And his high school principal pulled him aside one day and he said, "Jamie, you're not a loser, you're an entrepreneur. Can I give you some special projects?" Jamie went on to be in the car business, bought four car dealerships, sold them for $36 million several years later, and he became a stellar success, in part because his high school principal said he wasn't stupid.